Have you ever needed to grab a pay stub or tax form and found yourself digging through emails or calling HR only to get stuck in a game of phone tag? It's a common frustration, but what if there was a better way? What if you had the power to access all your important employment documents instantly from anywhere? That's where the Wave Employee Self-Service Portal comes in. It's a secure, digital hub that puts you in control of your own information. Think of it as your personal, always-on HR and payroll assistant, designed to make your work life easier. So, how does it work? Let's start with what you'll probably use it for most, your pay stubs. Instead of waiting for an email or a paper copy, you can simply log into your portal. From the dashboard, you'll find a dedicated section for pay and compensation. A single click takes you to a list of your pay stubs, organized by date. You can view them right there on your screen, download them as a PDF, or even print them out if you need a physical copy. The best part? They're available the moment payroll is processed, giving you a clear, detailed breakdown of your earnings and deductions right away. And it's not just for pay stubs. The Wave portal also centralizes all your important forms. Need to get a copy of your W-2 or a different tax form for filing? It's all there in the Forms and Documents section. These documents are securely stored and available for you to download whenever you need them. No more waiting, no more manual requests. It's all about putting the information you need right at your fingertips. The portal is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate. It saves you time, reduces the administrative burden on your HR team, and gives you peace of mind knowing you have secure, 24/7 access to your critical employment information. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.